Did you know you can really easily import your own music or audio into Instagram Reels? This is a great way for you to bring added exposure to yourself and to your account, and this is also particularly great if you have a business account, so only have access to a limited number of royalty-free tracks, because you can use the import feature to add your own tracks to bring originality and your own creativity to your Reel posts, and you therefore can have complete control over what audios you use. Before we get into it though, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham and I help ambitious business owners to scale their business online so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. If you'd like to see my weekly regular trainings, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so the first, easiest and obvious way to do this, and you probably already have done it without even realizing it maybe, is to just upload your video from your camera roll with the audio or music already attached to the video. So you don't actually select any music in the Reels app. There are some limitations to doing it this way though. When you do this, you'll be listed as the original creator of the sound, as it will say original audio, and people can still click on this and add the audio to their saved music list to use it at a later date. Or you can name your audio as well before you hit publish, so it's called what you want it to be rather than having just original audio next to the name, which is definitely a good idea if you are a musician and it's your own music tracks that you're uploading. However, you may or may not have seen that when you are in Music Discover page in Instagram Reels, at the top you have saved and you have import. So saved will take you to your saved list of music, but import allows you to import your own music or audio, and this works the same way as the previous way I've mentioned, but it just imports the audio so you can then create a new video with that particular audio music. And the reason you may want to do it this way is if you're concerned about the quality of the sound. So if you're a musician, the sound quality is going to be much better by uploading the track direct rather than having it playing in the background of a video, for example. And personally, I find this feature really useful if you want to add an audio of your own for people to lip sync to, because if I was just to create a Reel video where I talk to the camera with the words I want to use, the sound quality is not always that great on the phone. You know, sometimes it can sound a little bit tinny or echoey depending on where I am recording or how close I am to the phone. So what I do is record that audio with a high quality microphone and save it as a video to my camera roll, so when I import it into Reels here, the quality of the sound is really good. So when I click import, I can import the video from my camera roll which has the music, audio or audio attached. The side note here, it needs to be at least 5 seconds or more to make sure it works. And once it's done it, the audio is selected, so all I need to do is record my Reel and then make sure I edit the audio name before I hit published. Have you used the import feature yet? And if not, do you think you will? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing online.